Whew! Oh my god! Coilevers together. Ano yan?
This got lodged in the throttle body.
Whoops! We got a new Civic. I'm very shocked. So, sabi nga ni Editor Sean, this is becoming a bad joke episode. So, is the Civic a bad joke? No, it's I'm just talking, and if you're still watching, what the frick are you doing with your life? Okay, hello vlogs. Yun nga, sabi ko, we got a new car, and it got stuck in full throttle. I was gonna do my intro pa sana mamaya sa May Kawayan, pero ngayon na, kasi interesting. So, ayun si Editor Sean. Ano yan?
This got lodged in the throttle body.
What the hell? Ano yan? Nagaling yan?
It's a wiring shroud.
From where?
I don't know why it's in the airbox.
Oh, what? Oh! Ayan, so this is our new EK. Well, new old EK. It's a 1996 EK3. And ayun nga, we ran into our first problem. Welcome to Project Car Life again! Woo! Okay, so this is the thing that got stuck in our throttle plate. So is that why you need an air filter? Pang wiring room to, diba? This whole thing is shaking. And we're also shaking because the shocks are dead. So I'm not sure if you can see it properly because of the stabilization. Okay, so today we're going to make Kawayan, to the secret shop, to just look at the car properly. Silip kung anong mari kasi maraming kailangan gawin pa. Mic check. Okay guys, so ito lang pinaka-inaantay niyong episode. Another Honda Civic na hatchback na episode. But it's not blue. Oops, we got a new Civic. Let's go! So we're still waiting for some engine stuff kay Blutes. Kaya itong EK muna yung i-project natin. So we're in Honda Secret Base ulit. So nakarating na si EK3 natin. So by the way, EK3 is called Slowy. Ayan, so Slowy is now with his kind in Honda Secret Base. So ito yung pinalitan sa Mini Cooper. So it's an EK3 and is white. So it's a project car pero it's automatic, project daily, and yeah, we'll work on it bit by bit to make it more dailyable. Less project car but still project car daily. Basta ganun. Marami tayong gagawin pero wala pala si Al. Nag-Malaysia episode si Al. So, we're gonna do the important stuff muna. So, the priority stuff muna. So, we're just gonna check the pang-ilalim today, see what we can do, and then balik na lang tayo pagbalik ni Al. Okay, so, let's do a walk around. So, it looks like a bigote. Pag nasa harap. So, malalaman mo lang na hot siya pag nasa gilid ka na. Tapos, the wheels. These wheels are the ones sa EG, pati yung RE003. Ito actually yung set ng EG kaya siya na jack stands. So, the EG's on jack stands, we borrowed this. We're gonna get new wheels and tires. I don't know if for the EG or this EK. So, we're gonna see. But yeah, this is it. Very basic. So yeah, if you guys didn't know, it's automatic. Ayan. So, it's a Multimatic. Look at the crusty wheel. And all of our stuff is in here. Yeah, ayun. Very fun. That's the car for now. Maraming iba project. Okay, as for the engine, we have a D15 non-vtec. So yeah, ayan, stock airbox pa siya. May mga butas pa sa firewall that we need to patch up. So it's as stock as it gets. So there are some leaks also. Talagang project car life, but more daily this time. Not race car this time. So yeah, this is our new daily, super exciting project. So ayan, let's get to it. Whee! EK Hatch, 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 EK Hatch, 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 EK Hatch. Arshad, what are you doing today? Work. While he's working, we're playing, working. Grabe ang init. It's so hot today. Summer na nga. Summer na nga ba? Ah yeah, it's March already. Whee! Okay, nice. The mic is on pala. Hindi ako nagsasalita, kala ko na off yung mic. So, ayan na. It's inside. Let's get a bay. So aesthetic, the EK. So cute. I can't believe I got another hatch. And another Civic at that. Okay, so we're here and we're gonna be installing loaner coilovers muna until we get new ones. So, ayun, ganon. Are those the coilovers? I'll get the other two. Alrighty! Coilevers together. Coilevers together. Ano nangyari?
Tinanong ko kung may tape measure ba siya.
Oh.
Nag-reach sa pocket niya. Meron. Engineer si Gago, may tape measure.
On the clock. Okay, so we grabbed some lunch. Ayan, maybe I'll eat a bit. Muna. Ah! Hindi lang ako maasahan for this kind of thing. Oh, look, our EK is so cute. Ayan. Also, if you need seats, ayan, daming seats. If you need breaks, ang daming breaks. Ayan, ayan ang lunch. If you need lunch, bahala kayo. So, ito, mga pinto. Ito, engineer. Sige. Alrighty. Alright. Wee! So, magbabalon tayo ng gamit. Alam mo, dinekot ko tong water sa Lancer. Kasi hindi naman siya ginagamit.
Kailangan importante.
So, pambaon. And if the hose explodes, at least meron tayong baong tubig. For this guy. For you, daily. Cooling down with Coke Zero. Ayan, so if you're wondering what the electric tape is for. Ayan, yan ang electric tape. Oh. Hala, nasan yung treno niya? Tama ba? Treno yun? Treno, no? Okay, so this is how to show you gano'ng kasabog yung shock. Wow!
Yung sa likod, tired.
Whew! Oh my God!
Cases.
Oh yes! Guys, if you're wondering bakit hindi ako nagsasalita, kumakain kasi ako. Done hot dog for lunch. Okay, so as it turns out, this is 8.6.
Yes, 8 front, 6 rear.
8 front, 6 rear. Ayan. So, comfort spec. Wala na, Arshad. Winala niya yung tape measure mo. Hindi ka na engineer.
So the coilovers seem like they're in the right adjustment naman.
Yeah.
No need to adjust the preload, yung height na lang. Normally, I'll have this disassembled and we'll clean it and then we'll adjust everything again. Pero since this is temporary, until our new coilers come on, I won't touch it. Maybe later na yung height if we need to.
Alrighty. So our goal with this car is stock ride height lang sana. Mukhang tama naman yung ending. Stock ride height. So parang hindi na kailangan i-adjust. Arshad, okay ka lang. Kaya mo yan, Arshad. Ipakita mo yung burger steak na kinain mo. Are you exhausted? You know what? I did not know na mangyayari to. I'm very shocked. Is that a ball joint remover?
Yes, just in case. Pero I don't even need it today.
For next time. Okay, so si Editor San may impact wrench. Ayun, gamit ni Paul yung impact wrench. So, anong pangalan ng impact wrench mo?
Si Bert.
Ano? Sino?
Bert.
Bakit Bert?
Kasi it goes. Bert.
Okay, so if you like this video so far, like, subscribe, follow. If you like cats, comment cats or whatever. Ayun. So we're on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. So if you wanna follow there, ayun, do that. Okay pa ba kayo dyan?
Okay lang.
Okay, so ito ang nakakabit kanina. And look at that. It's leaking as we speak. Lels. Okay, they're rolling it forward and backward. Rakabay si Vic. Kelso. Ano English ng kalso? Hindi nga. Totoong tanong. Hindi ko rin alam. Kelso.
English ng barkada.
Barkada. Friendships.
Barricade.
Barricade. Kainis eh. So, sabi nga ni Editor Sean, this is becoming a bad joke episode. So, is the Civic a bad joke? No, it's... Nagsettle na ba siya? Okay, so measuring. Tira ba yung engineer natin? Ano yan? Yo-yo. Yo-yo. Utak niya yo-yo.
Hindi, time out na eh.
Off the clock na daw siya. Pwede na daw hindi maging matalino. So we're adjusting the height and the preload kasi they didn't match. Siguro na corner balance na to or something before to coilover na to. But yeah, ayun. May suspension na tayo na hindi patay. Sana. Exciting. Let's go. Okay, so road to more daily. It's not wallowing around so much anymore. So, 8.6, 8 front, 6 rear? Yes. Alright. So, ayan, we're gonna try it out. We're gonna go home. Well, not really home. We're gonna try to grab dinner. Check out how it feels now that it has functional suspension. Fingers crossed. So, it should be comfort spec kasi the spring rates are 8.6 and the top mounts aren't the, are the OEM ones pa. So, not the pillowball thingy. So, it should be comfortable. Fingers crossed it's comfy kasi it's a daily Matic EK Hatch. So, yeah, ayan. Road to more dailyable project. Sige lang. Woo! Sige lang. Malayong malayo. Malayo sa bituka. Ting nong, ding dong, ding dong. O, sige, alright. Rock and roll. Ang ganda na ng tindig niya. Hindi na siya maalon. Arshad, may tanong ako sa'yo. Pinamimigay niyo ba to?
Hindi.
Itong galon?
Parang bawal yun eh.
So no fucks given pala kayo. Bad jokes episode. So yeah, this is what the ride height looks like. Ayan. Chananan. Chananan. It looks good. You know what? It feels good agad. It feels more like a car now that the shocks are not dead. Ayan. Wow. Wow. Camera abuse. Wait, let me show you. Tingnan si editor sa. Ayan. Ayan. Ganda ng camera. Ganda rin ng kotse.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
I don't wanna talk kasi last time I did this, nawala sila sa bilang ng clicks ng coilover. So, I'm a move away. Ang hirap pala gimbal. Idol ko yung mga naka-Ronin na normal size. Oh my God. Okay, now for the rears. How many clicks sa rear?
We're doing 5 sa likod. Or 10 na lang. Kasi ganda lang.
Might as well. Ha? Hala! So, tinanong ni Arshad kung naset nga ba yung right. Naset nga ba yung right? Eh, ba't kayo nagka-doubts? Off the clock na si engineer. Wala na. Wala na, sir. Hindi ko rin pinapanood yung finifilm ko eh. Boots! 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 I can't run. The gimbal is too heavy. Boots! Hi, Boots! Hi, Boots! Ang laki mo na! Hi, Boots! Meow, 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 meow! Bootsy! Cute! Wow! Pa-cute ka, ah! Ay, yung kotse pala, nakalimutan ko i-film. Okay, so here is it. Here it is going through the bump. Tsaka bumagay yung wheels when you look at it. So aside from actual functional suspension, the slipstreams actually look good now. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna test it out now. We're gonna go to dinner. We're gonna review how good this whole thing feels. So we're gonna do that with Editor Shan and Arshad. So yeah, let's go. Let's actually test it out.
Oh, we're doing 80. Wow.
Oh my god, hindi na siya maalon.
Kotse na siya.
It feels like the 80 na.
How come 80 and this feels like we're speeding already? Yeah, I guess it needs a bit more refined. Well, the alignment's off. That's
Yeah.
Hindi nag-effort yung engine. Well, it's like I'm okay at 80. I don't need to go faster than 80.
I mean, pwede naman, pero
But I'm not sad about it. It's just
it feels good.
yeah, I'm never stating it na parang I'm okay at 80.
First time ko yata maka-XP ng 86.
86?
Spring race.
86. Oh yeah. Actually, I forgot na
We're on Coilover.
dapat pala matagtag tayo. Because so far,
Yeah, it's not
pretty
that
okay.
bad.
It's pretty okay. Ano Coilover stuff?
What's
I didn't even remember. Ots. Ots. Si Ots.
Ano ba yung odds?
Ano yung Ots?
Okay, let me Google. Okay, so we're on our way to Asset North, and so we're gonna end the vlog there, getting dinner. So far the suspension feels really good. It's super road compliant, and 10 out of 10. Still, or not still, became very dailyable coming from the super wallowy then OEM stuff. Anyways, ayun lang. So wala tayo masyado nagawa kasi wala si Al. Antayin natin na may kawayan with Al episode ulit tayo. So yeah, yun lang. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys next time.
Pakachama.
Paki-
Hindi, ganun ka. Tutuloy ko. What?
Ah! Kabo.
Shopcut! 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 Hi, Boots! Hi, Boots!